Friend, welcome to ehiddenbrain.com. Today we'll see NFA. Right now, what is NFA? NFA is non-deterministic finite automata. Right? Now, we will see, first of all, we already seen the difference between NFA and DFA, but still we'll see the transition function of DFA. What is transition function of DFA? It will be shown as a delta, right, where on any state, Q represent a set of states, on any set for any input alphabet. How to read this? For any state, for any input alphabet, on any state, for any input alphabet, I goes to any one of the state, right? So you can understand that here it is Q. But in case of NFA, what is delta? On any state, for any input alphabet, I will go to 2 raised to q states. Understood? Now, why it is 2 raised to q? You can see this is the main difference. In DFA, you are going to only one state, while in NFA, you can go to the multiple states, right? Okay, so this is the basic difference of NFA and DFA. What I will say is, in case of DFA, we have to consider all input alphabets on one state, right? In case of NFA, we have to consider, we may or may not consider input alphabet on any state. Understood? That is the main difference. Now, what this difference is, we already seen in the videos. You can see that there is a special video for difference between NFA and DFA. Now, what I will do is, I will directly start with the question. Now, what the question is, let's see, take any question of construction of NFA, I can say. So I will say a question is, construct NFA that accepts all strings of A's and B's, where each string contain ABB as substring. Now we'll see the answer for this. I hope you understood the question. Construct NFA. Now understand, there is nothing like a minimal NFA or minimal. In case of DFA, it is minimal DFA. We have to consider the minimum number of states in case of DFA. But in case of NFA, you can have any number of states in the NFA, because that we can't say as a minimal NFA. And what it says, it's a string of A's and B's, means the input alphabets will be A and B, right? And then it says ABB as a substring. So again, a hint to draw NFA is, better you have the minimum length possible strings as a language, right? So ABB is one of the possible string. Then you can have ABB, something like this. And I hope I will let you know one more thing about it. So this is an infinite language. The better thing is to understand in case of NFA is A, B, B is a substring, and here if I get A plus B star, I am not bothered, means any combination of A, B, and after this also if I get any combination of A, B, I will not be bothered about it. So my main concern is A, B, B as a substring. Now as per the rule of DFA, first try to find the NFA for the minimum length string. What is the minimum length string? A, B, B. So let's have ABB achieved first. So what I will do is A, B, B is achieved, and that's why this will be the final state. This is the final state. Okay. Now this is S1, S2, S3 and S4. I hope you can understand now. ABB is achieved, and now what I really want, I want A plus B star previous to ABB. So what I will do, I will just simply put a loop of AB, and I want A plus B star after ABB. Yes, my job is done now. Why this is NFA? Why this is NFA? Because on S1 we have two transitions of A. One goes to S1, one goes to S2. Means it is non-deterministic in nature, but yes, our job is done. So this is very simple. I can call this as NFA M1. You can say this machine is NFA M1. Now we can see this on S2 we are missing a transition of A. That's why again it is non-deterministic, because on S2 what to do for A is non-determined. But it is okay, because what our job is to draw is NFA. Drawing NFA is very simple job. You can see this. This is what the final NFA is. Right? I hope you understood what NFA is. Now that way you can draw a lot of NFAs. We will see a lot of questions on NFAs. So stay tuned to our channel. If you like this video, please like it. If you have any doubts and queries, do ask it in the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel for the further videos. Thank you very much.